Welcome to the Science Show. Today's topic is electrolysis using graphite electrodes. So, it is a process of using electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. On both the electrodes, I have coiled copper wire and used a battery of 9 volts. A simple electric circuit is made using a switch, battery as a power source, copper wires. Fold each end of wire tightly so that the connections are not loose and circuit works properly. See, the circuit is open in a beaker. I have taken tap water and now I am going to dip these graphite electrodes into this beaker. The end points of both the electrodes must not touch each other. Now switch on and wait for a while. You can clearly see the presence of bubbles on the electrodes. Actually, these bubbles are of hydrogen and oxygen. You can clearly see the oxygen and hydrogen gas bubbling up. Water is decomposed into oxygen and hydrogen gas as it is made up of these basic elements and forms bubbles around the graphite. The electrode that is making a lot more bubbles than the other one is hydrogen gas, and gas is bubbling up very clearly. Michael Faraday in 1834 did his experiments on passage of electricity through liquids. This is known as electrolysis. So fill the beaker with the tap water, use two graphite electrodes and make a simple circuit as shown in this figure using a battery and wires. William Nicholson experimented that if electrodes are immersed in water and current is passed through it, bubbles of oxygen on anode and hydrogen on cathode are produced. Super easy way to remember which gas is produced on which electrode. Out of anode and cathode, cathode has H in its spelling, so hydrogen is released on cathode and oxygen is released on anode. It's very simple. Does hydrogen go to anode or cathode? Let's see. Water decomposed to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. As you know, hydrogen forms H positive ions, so it will be attracted toward negative cathode, and oxygen forms O2 negative ions, so negative charge will be attracted toward positive anode. Non-metals are generally poor conductor of electricity, but graphite is an exception. So, commercially electrolysis is used for producing hydrogen, and hydrogen gas is a direct source of clean energy and has application in food industries, petrochemical refineries, cutting, welding, metallurgy, etc. Like, share and subscribe for more science experiments. Thank you for watching the Science Show.